How to add tags and categories to blog posts. To do that, just head over and then click onto this edit option right here into the blog post that you have. Now, once you have done that, this will open in here the editor for your content blog. So what we can do in this case is to click onto the settings option right here. And then from in there, you can see the general page. You can see the excerpt. You can feature it if you want as well. For this one, let's head over right here to the categories and let's click on this create category. So for example, for this, let's add a category of business and then click on check in order to add it. Now, if you want to add a tag, you can head over and then just do the same thing. You just click onto this tags option in order to utilize it. So click onto this tags right here. And then you can click onto this right there. So for example, let's put in here sustainability. You can add some more things for this one. You can add a lot of tags as long as it's under the allowed limit. So let's add in here this. Let's just click on enter and you can add another more if you want. Just add in here what you want for this. Let's put in here energy. Just click on enter again and add another one. Once you're done, click on this publish option in order to publish these categories and tags that you have added. So that's how you add tags and categories to blog posts in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.